Got another mystery box. This is a killer random bar from UpMax this time. The other seller sold out, so let's see what bar we're going to get. This is a random bar. And what's so cool about bars, especially killers and stuff, you can get a highly collectible one. That's why I kind of like getting one as like a mystery box. I don't know, I only did it 2 times, and there was like first time some generic bar, second time was pretty cool one. So hopefully we'll get something very unique food bar. Will we get it? Let's find out. Wow, that is awesome. That one is actually pretty nice. And look what UpMax did. Killer bar, they put it inside of this bag. Secondary market, this is the name of it. Killer silver bar, secondary market, random bar. But this one is looking pretty good, and as you can see, it's from UpMax. This is looks like just a sealed plastic bag that they have a bunch, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. And let's look at this bar. This is not a big deal, you can touch bars, it's not like coins. If it's loses the color a little bit, it's not losing its collectability. But this one is actually brand new, so UpMax random bar is pretty surprisingly awesome. Okay, that's a cute little stubby thing. I have done a couple of them. They're a little bit longer and skinnier. This thing right here, a little bit bigger square. And what mint is that? Pioneer metal. So I don't have any Pioneer metals bars, but you can see the stamp is very nice, and it's a pull bar as well. So there's a big market for pull bars. Some of them very collectible. It depends how many have been minted or pulled. So yeah, beautiful clean bar. 1 kilogram, 999 fine silver. I love how it says 1 kilogram on it too. M kinda didn't stamp as well, because as you can see, it has this poured deep in here, so it's almost like art, but it is a stem. You see this kind of like watermarks. I'm pretty sure this is like a little bit of a stamp that looks like this kind of liquid marks. Looks brand new. I don't even know why they call it secondary market. Let's look it up, how much they go for and how much I paid. Silver go up and down, so it could be cheaper and more expensive. I bought this bar 6 days ago, not from this seller. This is what they sold without random bar, but 864. I paid for it 857, just because silver was a little bit cheaper. So I think it's pretty fair. It was a really good bar. It's not beat up or dead up. But yeah, you pretty much can pay for just bar what you see, what you get, or you can get a random bar and kind of get some unique stuff. You never know what you're going to get, so that's kind of was worth not even paying extra, exact same, and still get exact same bar. But could have been something more unique, you never know. And I always like to test these bars. Anything I get, especially the bigger sizes. 1 ounce is not as big of a deal. But yeah, we're gonna go to silver. Okay, let's test it. Okay, not perfect middle, but it's okay. Almost middle, but I have no concerns. It's real. Well, it's wobble a little bit, so it's definitely is pulled bar. Nice. And this side real quick, beautiful. Yeah, you see how it's jumping around a little bit. But yeah, no concerns. There you go, there's a middle. It's a pure silver bar. So yeah, I love it. I definitely had fun rolling the dice. Pretty much paid exactly the same I would have get and knowing what I would have got. But a random bar is kind of fun opening it, like a mystery box in a way, except you know you're going to get what you paid for. And maybe there's something will slip into this random generic bars that is quite rare. Never know. This is my only 3rd one, and I have not got anything that epic yet. But yeah, it's kind of fun anyways.